Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics in the world of technology, Apple's M5 chip. The M-series chips have completely changed how we think about performance, efficiency, and integration in computers. From the M1 that started it all to the powerful M4, Apple has shown that it's not just competing with Intel or AMD anymore, it's building an entirely new class of computing. And now the M5 takes things even further. Apple's M5 chip is not just an incremental update. It's a major leap in architecture, design, and performance. It's built on a more advanced 2-nanometer process, which means it's faster, cooler, and more power-efficient than anything Apple has ever made. This new chip focuses on pushing AI capabilities, improving GPU performance, and delivering massive speed gains for creative and professional users. One of the biggest highlights of the M5 chip is its focus on AI and machine learning. Apple has added a next-generation neural engine that can handle trillions of operations per second, making it perfect for on-device intelligence. This isn't just about faster Siri responses or better photo editing. It's about giving every Apple device the ability to process complex data without relying on cloud servers. This keeps things private, secure, and lightning fast. The M5's GPU also gets a massive upgrade. Apple is introducing a new GPU architecture that supports advanced ray tracing and dynamic caching, features that were once exclusive to high-end gaming PCs. This makes graphics rendering faster, smoother, and more realistic. Whether you're playing demanding games, editing 8K video, or creating 3D models, the M5 is designed to handle it all effortlessly. And let's talk about CPU performance. The M5 features a 12-core CPU with improved efficiency cores and performance cores. The balance between them allows the chip to deliver incredible power while maintaining battery life. In real-world terms, it means your MacBook or iPad will run faster, last longer, and stay cooler even under heavy workloads. But performance isn't the only focus here. Apple is also working hard to make the M5 chip more energy efficient. Thanks to the 2-nanometer process, power consumption drops significantly, giving users longer battery life without compromising performance. It's not just about speed, it's about sustainable computing, where your device performs better while consuming less energy. Another area where Apple has made big improvements is unified memory. The M5 now supports higher memory bandwidth, allowing the CPU, GPU, and neural engine to access data more efficiently. This translates into faster multitasking, smoother rendering, and more responsive apps, especially for creative professionals who work with large files and complex projects. And of course, Apple's focus on integration continues. The M5 works seamlessly across macOS, iPadOS, and iOS, creating an ecosystem that's more unified than ever. This tight hardware-software connection gives Apple an advantage no other company can match. It allows them to optimize performance, improve battery management, and introduce features that simply work better together. Apple's new chip isn't just about raw performance, it's also about future-proofing. The company is preparing for a world where AI and AR become central to everyday computing. The M5 chip is built with this in mind, offering the power needed for real-time AI applications, advanced AR rendering, and machine learning tasks that will shape the next generation of devices. In short, the M5 chip represents the next step in Apple's long-term plan to dominate the computing space with its own silicon. It's faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. But more importantly, it shows how Apple is designing its future, one where every device, from iPhone to Mac Pro, shares the same DNA of power, intelligence, and efficiency. So what does this mean for users? It means your next MacBook or iPad will feel like a new kind of machine, not just faster, but more capable of understanding and adapting to how you work. The M5 chip brings the kind of power that was once reserved for desktops into ultra-thin, fanless laptops. It gives you speed and intelligence without compromise. And as Apple continues to evolve its software, the M5's full potential will only grow. Features like on-device AI, advanced video processing, and immersive graphics will become even more common. The line between professional and consumer-grade devices will continue to blur, giving users access to incredible performance in every product they buy. This is where the future of Apple Silicon is heading, a world of speed, intelligence, and seamless design. The M5 isn't just the next chip. It's the foundation for what comes next in Apple's ecosystem, a future where your devices think faster, run longer, and perform beyond expectations. Benchmarks for the M5 chip reveal just how far Apple has come. In early performance tests, the M5 outpaces the M4 by almost 35% in multi-core performance and up to 50% in GPU power. These numbers are not just impressive on paper. They translate into smoother workflows, faster rendering times, and improved responsiveness across apps. Whether you're compiling code, editing massive video projects, or working with 3D environments, the difference is immediately noticeable. The M5 doesn't just make things faster, it makes them feel effortless. What's even more impressive is that this jump in performance doesn't come with higher heat or power consumption. Apple's engineering has kept the chip efficient, which means you'll get these performance boosts while your device remains cool and quiet. The improved thermal management allows sustained high performance without throttling, a common issue in laptops and tablets running heavy tasks. When it comes to device compatibility, the M5 chip is expected to power the next generation of Macs and iPads. Reports suggest that the M5